Got the big bad 1.5 liter Toyota Yaris. Got exceptional amount of belt floppiness going on right there. Yeah, look at that. Oh. Anyway. Yeah, and whenever that kicks on, it allows a little bit of belt noise. In the skip, whenever it's under electrical load, I got the lights on, the heater on. Yeah, because it puts a load on the alternator, and that is what causes a slight vibration of your engine. More likely it's had new plugs and coils in it. If nothing else, I would throw a set of premium decent plugs. I suggest NGKs on the Toyotas. But yeah, if it had a decent set of plugs, it wouldn't do that little bit of vibration. Motor mounts are good. Yeah, motor mounts are good. It's the alternator dowel and that belt slop that's causing the vibration. Turn off the fan, turn off the lights, turn off the car. Let's see, what else are we doing? We're getting out. Go back around, close the door. And to tighten the alternator, there's a 14 down here, I believe, and a number 12 right here. Looks like somebody tried to use a 13. That's real common. Yeah, belt's just a little, maybe it's something else. Water pump. It's got the belt on it, and I'm wiggling her. And more likely because of that drag, that's what's causing the floppiness in the belt. Because that belt's loose, but not that loose. That water pump. Oh yeah, if I could just get you some good. Anyway, she's moving. Trust and believe, brother. Anyway, throw your water pump at it, Ruskell. What else? And a set of plugs. That'd be my suggestion. Water pump first and foremost. Plugs secondary. It always helps with, better gas mileage. Don't want this beast using all that gas,